Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the start capacitor on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the washer won't start, or you have a burning smell coming from your washer. For this repair, you'll need a 5/16 nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Now make sure you've turned off your water. And now we can unhook our hoses. So we'll use our channel locks. And keep in mind, when you're doing this, that there's probably going to be some water still in the lines. So make sure you have a bucket or a towel handy to catch that water when it starts dripping out. There we go. Now we're going to unhook the hoses from the machine. So again, we're going to use our channel locks to loosen it up. There we go. So we've got 2 screws in the front. And now we're going to turn the washer around to get to the other screws. Alright, now that those screws are off, we can tilt the control panel to remove the clips on the bottom and tip it forward. That'll expose the entire inside of this. So this is going to be our start capacitor. To remove it, first we're going to unplug these 2 red wires, and we're just going to simply pull them straight out. And now, because it's clamped down right here, we've got to get a 5/16 nut driver. We're going to loosen up this screw here. And now it'll slide right out. There we go. Now, grab your new OEM replacement start capacitor. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. All right, so we're going to take our new starter capacitor, slide it into this bracket here, just like the old one was. And then once you've got it about halfway in there, we can secure it in place. Now we'll plug our red wires back in. And now we can put the console back together. Now we'll put our console back on. To do that, you want to make sure these holes here line up with the tabs. So these will go inside the holes. You also want to make sure that the lip of this back edge goes over this, but that these stay outside. So you're going to want to lift it up and over the lip, set it down, make sure that everything is in the slots, push it back, and now we can screw it back in. So now we're screwing in the back panel screws. Now we'll turn it around to the other side. And now the front screws. There we go. And now we'll hook up our hoses And now we'll put our hoses back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.